I'm Father Brillis Mathew, incarnate to the Vicariate in the Middle East. At the moment I work in America. So I'm very happy to be here, to come and visit this place again. I was in Goa in 1992 onwards, during the time of Konkan Railway construction, and I was involved in the construction. So I used to visit this place very often, and now I'm back here to visit, to see the Francis Xavier's remaining body. It's a wonderful experience for me. I was very moved, and I was just thinking, why, even after hundreds of years, why so many people are attracted to this place? This reason is that's the power of that soul. Francis Xavier had a great zeal for the souls, and he left everything and he came and he served here. He gave his life, so he attracted so many souls. And I even have visited Xavier, the place where he is born. So look here, thousands of people after hundreds of years visiting. So it's a great inspiration for all of us to live our life meaningfully, with passion and purpose, to save our own souls and save others. Because Jesus said, if a man gains the whole world, what is the use to losing his own soul? So that is the message I wanted to give. God bless.